Hey everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of two packages I got today, so let's get started. May need a scissor for these. Alright, I think I got the first one open. Alright, let's see. So we have this 5-pack here. This is the Ocean Blasters. It's pretty cool. We have the it's like a seaplane kind of thing. Cement mixer. Another cement mixer in white. The Volkswagen Microbus. And the Ford GT90. Let me get the other package open. Give me 1 second. This has a lot more in it. This has some cool stuff. Some Majorettes. An Erdl is in here. There's a bunch of different things in here. I got these for a really, really good price. The seller was offering free shipping. So I got them with free shipping. So I only paid like 20 bucks. It wasn't too bad for all these cars. It wasn't too bad of a price at all. I think that I was trying to bid on a bunch of cars from him, but he had free shipping for everybody, so I think that's why that more cars got outbid compared to what I would usually get. Otherwise, I think people would have, bid less. All right, just grab this. This is junk. Just cut this off. All right. Now this is gonna be the guy that has all that stuff that's hard to open. So you're gonna have to bear with me, guys. It's gonna take some time. So let me get this open for you. Let's see if I can cut it. Get it open a little bit quicker. Faster. Nope. Let's scissor this. All right. Let's get this. Almost have it. I think I need a scissor again to cut this apart. There we go. Almost there. There we go. And all right, there's padding in here. There's a bunch of different things in here. This is crazy. Let's get all the cars out here. Let's see if there's anything else over here. No. Let me get this one open for you guys. It's the first one. Wonder what this is. It's a mystery. Can anyone take a guess what this is? I'm looking for guesses. Impala from 2010. This is really nice. I really like this model. I used to have this model, got rid of it. Not sure why. Rebought it. Take the bubble wrap out of there. You can see the cars from the other video on the side here. I'm going to show a video of everything once I get done opening all this stuff. I believe this is, this is the GTLM. That's what this one is, the GTLM. Ford GTLM, and this is from 2009. It's a really nice looking car. All right, let's get the rest of this stuff, the rest of this bad boy open. Gonna get this one open. This is the third car. I'm gonna get a couple more. I think that's the Triumph. Let me get this one open first. This one's the Majorette. I don't know if this is hard to find. If anybody could let me know in the comments down below. Just give me a heads up if I got a good deal on this or not. This is the Majorette Mercedes Track Publix. Just let me know, guys. I'm not sure if this is rare or not. Just let me know down below if I got a good deal on this. Thank you. All right, let me get the Triumph open here. You guys are going to see the Ertls and the good Majorettes coming up soon. There's a really good Majorette in here. I'm going to show you guys. Triumph TR6. 2011. Let me get the rest of these out of here. Okay, what is this one? Okay, this is the Ford GT40. Get this open. All right, that was easy, actually. That was easier than the others. Ford GT40 in blue. Let me get the rest of these out of here. So let me get this one, this. Bunch of cars here stuck together. Now, these are all, I think, all the rest of the cars that I was getting from this order. I have to double check real quick. Lamborghini Murcielago, Easter exclusive is Impala, and then the So Fast in yellow from 2009. This one's an 09 casting. Let me get this one open here next. This seems like a race team car. This seems like a race team number 44, but let me just double check here. Yep, I think so. Indeed, it is. This is the race team 44. It's in pretty good shape. And this is a good Majorette. This is one of the better Majorettes of this lot. You're going to see it, guys, in a second. I don't know if this has ever been on YouTube before. I haven't checked. And this is not the Surf Majorette. So this is something else. This is the Champion Assistance. And I think I got lucky with this one, but if anybody could let me know, that's a good idea. The Volkswagen Caddy. Have all of them out. Volkswagen Caddy. This is the Ertl model. This is, I believe, a Mustang. Excuse me. This is an Ertl model. This is the Ertl Mustang. This is nice. Wow, look at this. This is actually really cool. Considering I got this for $1, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. The Zodiac 2010 mystery car. And we have two more. Military Jeep. And then this is the last one. This is another good Majorette. I would say, I think once again I got lucky with this one, but if anybody could let me know down below, because I'm not really that sure about the values of Majorettes. I don't really have a Majorette guidebook to know if it's worth something or not, so if somebody who's familiar with Majorettes could let me know. This is a Ford Transit. City bus. The door seems kind of stuck. There we go. I believe that's everything. So I'm going to take a panoramic view. This is like, I think that's it. All right, guys. Thank you.